Hey there, Sharnaya here, and this is a really quick video that I just want to use to officially let everybody know that I offer one-on-one mentorship sessions. So some of you have already had some of these sessions with me, but I realized that a lot of people are actually unaware, so I just wanted to upload it on my channel and just have it out there, have it there for everyone to see that I offer these one-on-one sessions, and I'm really excited to talk to you. So let me tell you a bit more about these sessions and how they work. So I essentially have 3 service offerings, but if you do open the page, you'll probably see 4, and I'll explain why. So essentially 1 and 2 are the same. So the first offering is a 30-minute or a 45-minute chat where we can get to know each other a bit better and talk about UX design if you're just getting started, or if you're having some issues in your career that you would like for me to give you some advice on. So this one is mostly targeted at people that are just starting out in their careers. So it does come with a free Google Doc that has a bunch of free resources that can help you get started and really kickstart your UX design career. So from free courses to free resources, just a lot of things that can really help you and provide some guidance. So the second offering is your portfolio review. So usually I do this hand in hand with your resume or CV. So we go over your portfolio, look at what we could possibly improve, do better, and basically how we can position you to really look good, especially to recruiters. And then we can also go over your CV or resume and look at how we can improve that as well. Now, I will also at the end of the call send back to you a Google document that would cover all of the points that were mentioned, things that you can improve, as well as some links that I consider helpful that could also give you a bit more guidance while you are trying to improve your portfolio and resume. Also, if you're not interested in a portfolio review exactly, we could also chat about any ongoing design project that you have. If you need feedback, if you need a second eye to look at things, you could book that, or you could actually book the 30 or 45-minute session. Fourth offering we have is interview prep. Now, as it sounds, we're just going to be preparing you, talking you through possible interview questions, getting you ready to really answer questions the right way, the best way, and positioning you for success in your interview. So we could go over possible design challenges, we could talk about questions that you might be asked and how best to answer them. We could also go over possible scenarios like whiteboard challenges, take-home challenges and how they work, and just anything that would give you a lot more context to how these things work and really prepare you for an amazing interview. Now, I am really looking forward to talking to each and every one of you, so feel free to join me on Superpeer and let's get started talking about your career. Thank you so much for watching, and I do have more videos coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks again and see you later.